Come here. Bama. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good boy, Kobe. Can you get it? Ow, Bama, you shithead. Damn, his teeth under me. Okay. This isn't going to be a toy you guys get all the time. Drop it. Only when we want to play fetch, okay? Get your paw off me. This is my house, not yours. This is my ball, not yours. That's why you bring it back to me every time. Because it's mine. Don't get upset. Don't change the subject either. Hey! Knock it off. The bad Bama. This is not yours. Lost it. Useless shit. No, protect my ball. All three of them. You see her trying to dig in my arms and my leg?
I know.
Like it's dirt or something and it's a grass? Hey, Bama. Bama. You just remember who's boss around here. Not you. Mommy and Daddy are. Actually, it's Daddy and Mommy. Zoe. 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 She is putting all her strength in trying to get through my arms. And Coach's like, if I lick Daddy, his arms will move.
Bama!
Bad Bama. That's not yours. You don't get it. Nope. Oh, you don't get a bite of it anymore.